Hi, my name is James Douglas, and I just got back from small claims court where I received a judgment near $3,000 for wages from Hogsback BBQ. And I'm with my fellow former employees, Joe, Dave, and Jackie, who also received judgments.
I got $2,240, the full amount of my judgment plus the cost of court.
I got $483 plus the cost of my court.
I got $1,033 plus the cost of court.
So how are you all feeling about this?
Feels good. It's nice to have that off and know that they actually agreed that he owes me the money for working, which is a good thing to see.
I was sort of nervous, having never been to court before, as to what possibly, what could have gone against us. You know, those things are in the back of your mind. And I'm just really glad everything went so smoothly and there wasn't any controversy, and the judge seemed to agree with us.
I'm glad we won. I won. I'm gonna get my money back. I can't work for free.
I personally expected the court case to go as it did. I think the bigger hurdle will be actually getting money out of Greg and Victor.
So do you think, does this send any sort of message to workers around the county?
I think one thing it does is it sends a message to business owners that they can't just set up shop and treat people like this. I applied to a job yesterday, and the owner made a big point of doing everything very properly, and he's been around for 15 years. And you can just see, if you try and start a business in this county, it's not going to work like that.
Now I also hope that workers would take some more personal responsibility, not because they should be doing it, but just to prepare themselves for situations where maybe their boss is not on the up and up and might not be looking out for their best benefits. So definitely keep track of your hours and tips especially, and make sure that you don't wait too long to have to go to court for such things.
This whole experience was definitely a lot easier than I expected it to be. The guidance at the Workers Center here was great. They just helped me through all the processes and paperwork and getting me ready to go to court.
I feel that I was working for somebody sketchy, and I should have figured that out before I started working. Because I definitely knew he wasn't an honest guy when I met him, but I was hoping that I would at least just get paid, but obviously not. So, and thank you to the Workers Center for everything you helped, and hopefully we get our money out of these guys. So, take people to court if they don't pay you.
Absolutely. And just because you're in a desperate situation doesn't mean you should let people take advantage of you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Jeez.
Anything anybody else would like to add? Maybe just a brief word from Workers Center staff person Linda Holzbauer, who did an incredible job putting all this stuff together. Linda, would you like to say anything briefly about the situation?
Justice in the new year.
Weird but lovely. I'm so going to have this in the video.
No.
Okay, Stacy Smith.
Yes.
Hi. So, say what the judgment was against who and how much.
The judgment was towards the Hogsback BBQ for $1,294.90.
How do you feel about it?
Good. Now I hope we find him.
Right. So, what do you think that you stood up with 5 other people? How do you feel about that? I mean, it seems.
I'm really glad that they all showed up and were here supporting each other, and it was nice. It felt really good.
what would you say to the rest of people out there that feel victimized by owners?
Well, honestly, call the Workers' Rights Center. They've been wonderful and helped me, and I hope it doesn't happen to anybody else. I mean, it's really caused a lot of hardship on my family, and so I couldn't imagine what it could do to somebody else's.
What is your family? So can you say a little bit about your family?
Yes, I have 3 little girls, and right now I'm still unemployed. It caused a lot of hardship due to Christmas, and being able to find a job now, because a restaurant like that does not look good on your resume. It's caused a lot of problems. A lot of problems.
Okay.